You will agree that healthy diet is important for a child's development. Many of our kids have dietary restrictions. Like for Chinmay, we follow a gluten-free and casein-free diet. To put it in simple words, we avoid food that contain wheat and milk. And we have observed that this diet makes him less hyperactive, more focused, and decreases his stimmy. Like most of the kids, Chinmay loves cakes, ice cream, bread, chocolate, and so on. And it is very challenging to keep him away from these. Over the years, I have experimented with various gluten-free and casein-free substitutes, and I'm happy to share the recipes with you all. Do share your suggestions and feedback. I would like to hear from you all. We are going to make a gluten-free chocolate cupcake today, and I'll be using plain flours like almond flour and amaranth flour instead of any ready-made gluten-free flours. The ingredients for the recipe is 4 eggs, 1 cup of almonds, 1 cup of amaranth flour or rajgira flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half cup coconut oil, and 1.5 teaspoon of instant coffee. And we need some hot water also, boiling water. For the frosting of the cake, I'll be using some coconut cream and chocolate and some powdered sugar. So before starting mixing the flour, we have to preheat the oven for 175 centigrade. First I am going to powder the almond and the sugar together in a mixie. We have to start whisking the eggs. So I have beaten the egg. I am going to add half cup of coconut oil and beat it again. I am going to add the almond powder and sugar powder together, amaranth flour. I'll add a half cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of coffee, instant coffee. This will enhance the chocolate flavor. I'll add 1 cup of boiling water and mix everything together. So the batter is ready and I'm going to pour it into the baking tray. I had preheated the oven to 175 degree. Now I am going to bake my cupcakes for 25 minutes. So I'll keep the timer on for 25 minutes. I'm starting to make the frosting by melting the chocolate. Now the coconut cream, when you open the can, there'll be water in it. So drain out all the water and take only the solid coconut cream. Add 1.5 cup of sugar. Quarter cup of cocoa powder and whisk it all together. Now add the melted chocolate. Our cupcakes are ready for frosting. Let's start that. So this is a frosting I made and kept it in the freezer to make it a little thicker while the cupcake is also getting cooled down. Now the cupcake is cooled down, so we will start the frosting. Usually I don't frost my cupcakes because my kids like it without it anyways, and the frosting means that is additional sugar, so I usually avoid it.
Bucket.
Chinmay, how is the cake?
Good.
Thank you. Friends, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. We would love to hear from you. Thank you and see you soon.